What's up, Lisa babies, Lisa gang? Welcome back to my channel. So I know I've been MIA for a little minute, but I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be back for like a good little minute. Like, I'm gonna be consistent. And I know I say this all the time, but guys, I'm serious this time. You know what, all I can do is try, you know what I mean? So first of all, what I'm doing today is showing you guys, letting you know details about where I got these cute ass car seats from. Like, oh my god, like, aren't they so freaking cute, guys? I know, they're like literally everything. I love them. So first of all, I'm gonna say I got them off AliExpress for one, and I paid, how much did I pay for them? Because a lot of people want to know like shipping and stuff like that. So I paid $138.09 for a five pack car seat. So it's like the 3 in the back and the 2 in the front, and yeah, that's what I paid for. So it was a full set pink 3, so it's like 3 seats, the 2 and the 1 combined. So this took, I ordered these seats on March 3rd. Why I said March 3rd? I did not order them on March 3rd, my bad. I got them on March 3rd, but I ordered them, I ordered them January 28th. Wow, I thought it came in with like 2 weeks. Wow, that took a little minute, but it was like I wasn't really rushing for them. Like, I'm not rushing for the seats. Like, when they came, they came. That's what the people need to understand about AliExpress. Don't expect to get your stuff when they say you're gonna get it. Like, just whenever it comes, it comes. Like, don't rush and get nothing, because I remember that happened to me one time. I rushed and I wanted this bathing suit before I left, and it didn't show up, and I was out of luck because I didn't buy me no bathing suit, so I had to hurry up and buy bathing suits. So that's what I'm saying. Like, be prepared. Order a month in ahead for clothing, or 2 months at least, so you could try it on and see if you like it. That's what I recommend with AliExpress. Don't expect to get it 2 weeks before something, a week before something, because in the comments people do say they got their stuff in 2 weeks, but those are people that are shipped where they're close to. We shipping way to the United States from China or wherever. It's gonna take a little minute, you know, unless you're paying for, you know you could pay for faster shipping. Like, it'd be like 12 and up dollars. It don't be that high, depends on how fast you want it. So like I said, I literally ordered this on January 28th or the 29th. So, and then I got it March 3rd. Yeah, so I pretty much got it in a month. Let's just say I got it in a month. So I got it in like 3 to 4 weeks. That's how long it took to come in, 3 to 4 weeks. And they also have other colors, but I thought the pink was so cute. They have other levels of pink, but I felt like the pink would go good with my car. So I have a Toyota Camry, don't remember the year, but you could ask the seller like to list. I actually have a list of all the cars that they had, because I think they sent it to me. So I'm gonna put that in. Just DM me on my Instagram so I can just send it to you. But I'm gonna put everything about my car. Like, I'll go find out everything and just put it underneath. And I'm also gonna let you know the seats I got, the prices, and I'm also gonna have the link in the description box, or I might put it in this video so you guys watch it all the way. But I paid $138. That's so good for car seats. But they also have the ones that come with this kind of steering wheel, but I felt like I was giving too much pink in this car, so I'm gonna get something else to go in there. And I'm also gonna do some lights in my car, and I'm also gonna do some new mats, like pink, like these, because they had, like, you know how on the recommended they show you that's what they had on the recommended, and I just wanted to get that and get everything done. So some other questions people asked me was, you know, is it legit and stuff like that. Well, obviously it's legit because it showed up and I got it on time, and I'm gonna leave a review. And the only thing that was hard, I can't lie guys, like, let me show you. So it was putting the fucking thing together. So they had all these little things, these things. I honestly did not know what to do with them. The seller told me to look up a video online. Like, what? Like, so I'm just gonna show you how I use them in this video. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Fast forward to me putting all this stuff together and the end result and how good it looks. really love my car seats. I can show you guys a closer look if you want. So yeah. So this is like a closer look up close on the seats. It needs to focus. Like, it's so cute. And they also have the thing for your back. My seat's dirty with all that stuff down there, but yeah, it's super cute. And this is the back seat. Yes, I love it. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. We're on the road to 10K. And any more questions, don't forget to, you can leave a comment and I'll reply to everyone. And if you want like a personal information, you don't want to leave a comment, just go to my Instagram and message me like you guys have been doing before. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to your girl's channel. Love you guys. Road to 10K. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? I'm serious. Next video coming up is get ready with me for my Miami trip. Love you guys. Bye.